Hi, my name's Joe. I play piano for Sinfonia Cymru, and I was really lucky because I got to choose the music in all of this programme, which was really fun. And I went for music that I really enjoy playing, and I think you'll really enjoy listening to as well. It's a selection of British music from the turn of the 20th century, starting with some very well-known tunes like the Salut d'Amor from Elgar. And then we're going into some Vaughan Williams, who kind of led the revival of English national music, so it's very kind of folk music-y. In fact, the pieces are studies in English folk song. And then we end up with Rebecca Clark's piano trio, which is one of my favourite pieces ever. It's really cool, really dramatic, lovely to listen to, really. So, yeah, I really hope you all come. It's sadly my last concert. I'm just really happy that this was the last concert that I could play with music that I really like. Tickets are available on the Sinfonia Cymru website. Hope to see you there.